Oh man, this is the first time we've done a video and I don't have a hat on. That's how you know it's gonna be good. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're back in the shop with the 2022 WRX again to not only do suspension, but wheels and tires. And when I say wheels and tires, I mean a couple of different sets of wheels and tires. Because quite frankly, we're a little confused. We don't even know what's gonna look good on this thing. So, we're gonna drop it to the ground, throw on a couple of different wheel options, see what we like. We're gonna start off by putting this pig on the lift. But, hey man, can you do that thing where it like semi-slow-mo and it looks real cool when I'm really just doing a suspension?
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah?
Make it look good?
That'd be sweet. Okay, so check this out. The new WRX doesn't come with the spare tire, it just comes with this inflation kit in case you get a flat. But they still give you the jack, and they still give you what is the spot where a spare tire would have gone. Great job, Subaru. So I'm sure the first question you guys are gonna ask is, which suspension did we choose for this car? So let's open the box and see what's inside. It's another box. You're not gonna believe it. It's more boxes. Okay, let's take a look at this bad boy. Yeah. Okay. Man, even on the stock wheels, that made a huge difference. Why don't you guys take a look? All right, so what'd you think of that? I'll tell you what, I don't think it's that bad. For a stock set of wheels, I'd be pretty happy with that. So let's not stop there, let's go! Let's check it out. Here's the first look at our white wheel with 6 spokes. I'm digging this thing. I think it looks pretty cool, but why don't you decide? Alright guys, so I know what you're thinking. I really like that wheel choice, but I'm not really sure about the white on white. Well, say less, fam, because we got you covered for wheel choice number 3. As any Subaru owner will tell you, bronze wheels are the cornerstone to making any WRX look good, and this 2022 is no exception. Check it out.
chase.
For our final set, we have a custom painted set of wheels that matches all of the black accents that we did to the car. And to set it all off, here's a cherry blossom pinstripe to really bring the look together. Check it out. So this is the final set of wheels we're going to leave on the car for two reasons. Number one, they're custom painted to match the car, so that makes sense. And number two, it's the only one with TPMS sensors in it. One other thing, now that we have these big wheels on here, the brakes seem a little bit underwhelming. So hopefully in the next episode, we're going to be tossing these bad boys on, see what the boss thinks. So that completes the suspension and wheel install on our 2022 Subaru WRX. Be sure to drop a comment below to tell us which wheel set was your favorite. Is it the one we left on? Is it the white, the black, the bronze? You let us know. As always, be sure to hit that like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.